Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I would like to show you how to share photos, videos or any file from your mobile to laptop. So let's begin our video. So here you can see this is my mobile and I want to share a photo. For example, I just open this photo and here you can see this photo. I just want to share from my mobile to my laptop. So I simply click on send and select Bluetooth, and after select Bluetooth I just need to go on my PC and this arrow icon, select Bluetooth, select receive file, and after select receive file you can see on my phone there is showing my laptop name. So I simply select it and here you can see right now this photo transferring. Right now you just need to wait for complete transferring. I'm just waiting. So here you can see in the same way you can transfer video or any other file that you want to share or transfer. You can do it, there have no restriction. So I simply complete it. Right now there have an option browse, select it. This option is for select the location where you want to save your transfer file. So I already selected, select, then select finish. Right now I'm showing you that. Go on edit. So here you can see the photo already share. So in this way you can share your photo, video or any file via Bluetooth from your mobile to laptop. I hope you can understand. Hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.